Let's now race against time as the Constitutional Court hears the matter over the payment of social grants tomorrow.
Civil rights organisation Black Sash wants the court to allow Social Security Agency SASSA to enter into a new contract with the current distributor, Cash Paymaster Services, but under strict conditions and oversight.
It's unprecedented. All three arms of the state seeking a solution as the country is on tenterhooks. The executive established an interministerial task team. Parliament, through SCOPA, is seeking answers. And now the judiciary, through the Constitutional Court, is asked to allow the service provider, which is at the center of the unconstitutional contract, to continue issuing grants.
The only option that appears to be in the short term, this is very important, in the short term, to be Cash Paymaster Services to pay. We're certainly not happy with Cash Paymaster Services or Net1 and the many disputed deductions, tens of thousands, that has happened on airtime, electricity, insurance. But because of the time frames, at least in the short term, with serious oversight by the Constitutional Court.
Social Development Minister Batabile Dlamini and SASSA aren't opposing this relief, but they suggest a state functionary like the Auditor General or the Public Protector does oversight. It doesn't want the court to be involved in the terms, price and duration of the contract. SCOPA chairperson Themba Godi believes the crisis is self-created.
Complain about judicial overreach, and yet our own incompetences actually invite the courts into the realm of, executive functions. Totally unnecessary.
Meanwhile, SASSA and the department missed two deadlines to respond to the directives from the Chief Justice. In one replies, SASSA's acting CEO indicates that it knew as far back as April 2016 that the agency doesn't have the capacity to pay out grants. Extraordinary case that will force the justices to work around the clock and deliver judgment in record time. All negotiations are currently off the table pending the outcome of the Constitutional Court case. And the heads of arguments from the minister, SASSA and its CEO doesn't make it any comforting that the negotiations are likely to be complex. They further say the new negotiations with CPS may or may not lead to a contract. Alderin Simpia, SABC News, Constitutional Court.